Welcome back. Today we're going to St. Pete Beach, which is one of the most beautiful resort areas anywhere. It's been voted the #1 beach in Florida a couple of times, and it's right in the middle of everything, right in the middle of Tampa, Sarasota, Clearwater. But when you're down here, you're going to feel like you're really remote because of the peace and serenity of this area is unmatched. St. Pete Beach. This is the location, directly on the water. It's the St. Pete Beach Yacht and Tennis Club, and it's a extremely well-maintained complex. Let's just go right to the pictures. There's the building. Now look at this. There's your clubhouse. Can you imagine that the deck goes over the water? Look at the size of that pool. Now we're in the unit now, and you'll notice that it's a very crisp white on white, kind of a modernist color scheme with some off colors here, and you'll notice they've got stainless steel appliances, very nice, the beautiful wood look floors, and you've got the wall of glass up front to see the water. There's another view of the kitchen. There's a breakfast nook where you'll greet the morning with a cup of coffee and look out and see if you can see that dolphin again. Here's another view of the dining room and living room looking back. Expansive, great room. You know, you're talking about a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and the amount of room you get in a great room like this is probably where you're going to be spending most of your time. So there's another view looking out. Look at the magnificent water view. Now I'm going to get to that water view more in just a minute, but you'll notice that they've gone for the whole walls of glass thing, and if you the work's done. If you've ever had a condo that had the old Florida stuff in it, you wanted to upgrade, you know how difficult and expensive it is. Well, all this has been done for you. Bedroom. Look at that bedroom. Beautiful, very nice. Bathroom, you know, continuing the white on white color scheme into the bathroom. Now here's some outside shots. This is a typical view. This would be like off your balcony. Just magnificent. You're watching the boats go by, you're watching the dolphins play, and look, this is your front yard. You want to go down there and sit there and look out of the water, you can anytime. It's just a magnificent spot. Look at that. The degree of manicure, gorgeous. They know what they're doing, and they maintain. Gosh, it's even got the diagonal cutting like you'd see on a golf course or a baseball field. That's pretty amazing. Another view there of the water. Now look at this exercise room. Now you don't have to go here, but if you do want to exercise, it's completely state-of-the-art. It's been completely modernized. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's more beautiful than any gym I've ever seen. They did a beautiful job. They do things right here. Another view of that pool. Huge pool, and if it's like a lot of condos, I know, you know, there's not bound in, you know, unless it's the peak of season, there's not bound to be that many people in it. Usually you might have the whole thing to yourself from time to time. It happens. You'll notice there's no one in there right now, looks like. This is at the clubhouse. Look at the beautiful seating area. So when you've got, let's say you've got 10 people over and it's a little much for your condo, well, you can head on over to the clubhouse and it can be your home for the day, so you can entertain your friends and family. Here's another view of the complex. Beautiful emerald green surroundings, and on the water, of course. Just a magnificent piece of property. It's another great listing by Jane McCrory with South Beaches Real Estate. Jane really knows this area. If you want to find out more about this condo or anything in this general area, give Jane a call. Her number is 727-410-7777. 727-410-7777. And I can introduce you to Jane as well if you call me. I'm Don Wallace with Park Place Realty Network, a Florida licensed referral-only real estate agency. My phone number 800-769-9964. Again, that's 800-769-9964. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Make it a great day.